Alright, here's my custom built Lasko 16-inch oscillating table fan. It has the 16-inch pedestal fan parts. And it actually looks pretty cool with this design. So this originally would have been a Lasko 16-inch table fan. I don't know what the model is on this one, but yeah. So yeah, it has really skinny blades, and for comparison, here is the original blades. And first, let me take this off. And here's the original blades, which are smaller, of course, by 4 inches. This is a 12-inch blade. These are 16-inch blades, so I just wanted to make an upgrade for this 12-inch fan. And then I'll try the Cumberland wall fan with this blade design. So I gotta get here. So here's high speed. What the? Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. It's not plugged in. Okay, well, so I'm gonna have to plug it in and see if we can get it to run. Hold on. There we go. My camera just fell, but I can just sit it in there. All right, high speed. And what do you know, it actually performs just like the original fan motor. Medium. Low. And I can get behind here. And there it is, my custom built Lasko 16-inch oscillating table fan. So, yeah. Comment down below if you guys ever want me to do this with the 18-inch parts with 5 blades. Except the 18-inch parts would be way too heavy for this thing to hold, and it would have to be in this position right here to have those, and yeah, like that. It would have to be like in that position, so but do let me know if you guys want me to try the 18-inch parts. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.